Hi everybody, welcome back to Cedar Creek RC. John here, back for the budget build off. We had $60.01 left over. Not $60.01. We had 1 cent left over from week 2. So week 3 we have $60.01 left. So what we'll do this week, we're going to put overdrive, underdrive gears in the front and the back. Overdrive in the front, underdrive in the back. Got a magnet mount. It's not here yet. I just got a temporary one in for now, so can't mount the body yet. And also bought an extra set of green shocks to match the wheels. I don't know if I'm going to use them, but they were on sale for $12.49. So we spent $44.46 this week. So we'll have $14.59 left to carry over unless something changes and I decide to redo the video, or I'll just update it in the next video if I have to get something else. And this is the body that's going to go on it. So we'll see how this turns out. I have already trimmed it for some better clearance. I'm supposed to be getting a body kit. I don't know how I'm going to paint this yet. That's going to be one of the last things I do. Of course, it has all the headlights and everything, but now, these are the shocks. I don't know. I mean, they match the wheels perfect. I mean, they're both trails, so. But we'll start working and getting these gears in there, and I'll see you when I get back. Hi everybody, welcome to Cedar Creek RC. John here. Week 4 of the budget build off. Apparently when I got the recycle bin, there was a little miscommunication. I got recycle bin again. So I'm not really going to upgrade anything this week. I might put some brass hex extensions, stuff like that on. But what we're going to focus on right now is painting. I've already got my black down and my primer down. I'm going to leave the inside of the bed black, so I'll have to tape all that off. Probably going to be kind of, not an exciting week. But we'll get the painting done. I'm not going to show all that process. And then I'm going to try to do something on it that I've never done before. We'll see if it works out. If it don't, it don't. If it does, I think it's going to be pretty awesome. But I'll come back and we'll go over the painting and everything. I might have to bring my wife in on the paint. She's pretty artistic. Yeah, I'm going to get all this taped off and start working on paint. Alright guys, welcome back. And I got the body painted the bed black. There's 2 different colors of green. We'll see how this goes. Probably have to get my wife to come out and help me on it. But I'm going to try to do it comic book style. So I'll probably just do a time lapse. I don't know if y'all want to see me sanding a bunch of stuff on here, but we'll see how it turns out and we'll go from there. Well, that's what we got. I'm going to go with that and just do some black around it. I got to go wash it off, clean it up, probably rub it down with alcohol, but we'll see how it turns out. I appreciate it. I'll be back in a little while and we'll see what kind of progress we've made. I don't know where my interior is though. That could be an issue. Found my interior. I think this has been a fun little build. I've thoroughly enjoyed it. I debated on whether to detail out the interior, but I don't think I'm going to. I gotta remember how all this came apart. I don't know if this might have gone over. I think this goes in first. Sorry if it's loud. My shop's outside, and got the windows and doors and everything open. It had some little like fender flare kind of things on it. I don't think I'm putting those back in though. I don't. Or some wheel arches. I'll show you those. I don't think they're going to line up right with and look right with what I'm doing. But if they look like they'll work, we'll just, I mean, they screw on the back, so not that concerned about it. But for $9 body, I think it's $9. It's not, I mean, it wasn't that bad of a deal. I didn't think. I mean, considering hard bodies, some of them are 30 bucks or so. What I think I'm going to do is run my electronics and just mount those in the back. Like, I don't know how capable this is going to be anyways. Might leave the battery underneath, but I might put the battery on top, and then you can, I mean, I might do that. Then you don't even have to worry about taking the battery off. I'll just put some Velcro on it, and that's where it'll set. That might be a better option. I don't know. I'm leaving everything open on this build. I have room in the back, and I have these boxes that it came with. I don't know. I might see if I can do something with those to hide the electronics. The only thing I worry about that is everything getting too hot. Paint dip. All right, guys, we got it all put together. Got the electronics in the back. Don't have tail lights. Gonna put some limiting straps, I think, on the back. Still got a little more paint work to do, but we'll go over that. I mean, it's got cool little side markers and stuff. I could probably paint those with some kind of transparent clear, but that's it for this week. I appreciate everybody watching. Like, subscribe, and share. And stay safe out there, everybody. I appreciate it.